Hello, Gina this side. After building a client's project at Webcrux, I realized one thing. It's not just about coding faster. It's about using right tools. So today I'm setting the top 10 Chrome extensions that actually make a developer's 10x more productivity because I use them every single day. Hey everyone, I'm Jinal Soni, a founder of Webcrux Technology, and if you are a web developer, freelancer, or agency owner, this Chrome extension will literally save your hours daily. Let's dive in. If you are a web developer, you will love this extension. So let's start with my favorite extension, that is Webalizers. Whenever I visit client sites or any new sites that I want to check the info about the languages, which languages they use, and everything about this by just quick view, then I'm using this extensions. This is the Webalizers. I instantly check what tech they are using, like Create, Laravel, WordPress, Python, and many other languages like this. Webalizer shows me the entire tech stacks in one click. It saves me so much goosey works before we even start discussing the projects. So let's check it. You can search these extensions like this. Webalizer Chrome extensions. Here is the extensions I use for the text stacks. Like you can check the description over here. Like this site is open and this is made using the Shopify e-commerce site, analytics, JavaScript framework, web server, and everything you can check by using these extensions. I already add this extension in my Chrome. Let's check it step by step. Like this is our company site, that is webcruxtechnology.com. It's made using the languages like React, PHP, Laravel, and everything. So here is all the info about this: Google Analytics, programming language, operating system, Nginx, database, what database it's using, and everything is mentioned. Quick view is mentioned here. We are using so much things, but some quick things are here. So yeah, that's it. And let's move to the another extension, that is JSON viewer extensions. So you can also search these extensions while typing this. I already use these extensions from many years. It will help you show the JSON format in a very formatted way like this. So now if you deal with APIs, you need these JSON viewers, make messy JSON data look clean, readable, and structured right inside a Chrome. No more squeezing at brackets and commas. It's just beautifully formatted like this is. Like you can zoom it while this, and you can see like in a Chrome, you can see this is a very beautifully formatted. Yeah, let's move to the another extensions, that is what font extensions, like what font this site is using, and many more things about these extensions, like what font extensions I already installed it here, and you can check these descriptions over here. Like the like this is the text, and here it's showing like this text name is this, and by clicking this that is all the design things like line height, size, style, weight, colors, whatever font family things, all the things are mentioned here. So it is very useful for the designers. So I just give you a real example by using these extensions. Like see this text is using this text, and this is using these things. And by clicking this, you can check all the info about this. Like by clicking this, you can check all the info about this, like this. This is very useful for the designer, I think. So let's use once and check. So this one for the designer lovers. You are scrolling to a beautiful site and you are like, damn, what font is that? Just over using what font, and it's tell you instantly. We are actually discovers a few of our brand fonts using these tools, and this is the true story of using these extensions. So I will recommend all the designers use it one and explore these things. It will help you in a development process faster. So let's move to the ColorZilla extensions. another gem for the front end devs. So let's say a client sends a screenshot and says, "Met this blue." Boom, Colorzilla lets you grab that exact color code from anywhere on your screen. No more using saves. Let's use this for another sites like this. I already let's search this extension first. So this is the extensions for the Chrome, and you can check it or add to Chrome from here. Here you can check all the things like use by using this extension. What was the benefit of it? You know, checking. It's adding a real time color, so you can use pick the colors and you can change it real time and just take a screenshot and forward to your client, and it's make your work easy instantly. So this is the things, and yeah, like another things. Let's see the real example by using this. Right, this is the Godzilla, and what I want to do, I want to check the exact color of this. So yep, let's move to the React developers tools like these extensions. If you are team works in a React, this one is must. React developers tools. Let's see your you inspect components, props, and state lives. It's look like inside your app brain, and trust me, debugging becomes so much smoother. So um, let's search this React developers tool extensions. Here you can add this. I already added this, and by inspecting this which component is using and everything, you can check by these extensions. Let's inspect this one and use the extensions of this, and like which components it's using. Here you can check all the things. Like let's move to the lighthouse. This one is non-negotiable for us at Webcrux. Before we deliver any website, we run a lighthouse audit. It's check your site's performance, SEO, and accessibility all in a seconds. It's how we make sure clients get top-notch results. So let's explore this extension as well. Here is the extensions like lighthouse extensions. You can search this, and it will give you the performance, accessibility, best practice, and everything by using this. Let's check the real site as well. Like click, I'm choosing the PSI mobile and click generate the reports for mobile sites, and it will show the results in a minute. Let's click the analyze and let's wait for the news. So this is the results. Like this page is 14, giving a 49 percentage performance, accessibility 96, best practice 100, SEO 100% values, and all the things are mentioning here. So you can check. Let's check for the desktop. For desktop, its performance is better than mobile one, like 82 percentage, 96 for accessibility, and 96 for best practice. And for SEO, it's 100%. So this is the things you can check by using this, or any sites you can check via these extensions. So this is very useful things. And another extension we are using is web developer extensions. So you can search via this web developer. Like this is, I already installed these extensions. It's very useful for web devs. You can check and use this by different things. Like here you can check the forms, images, informations, outlines, resize, and many more things you can check using these extensions. Let's see a real example of it. Mm, Many more things. Let's see the real example. Like here is the contact us form, and I'm using the web developer extension. Here it is. Like I just check the forms. I display form details. So here it shows me what this is like. This is using import. This is using text area and everything. Like I check enable auto completion. Something like disables. Want to disable something. Clear form field and everything you can check. Like remove validations. Like I'm trying to submit these things, and what I do is like I'm removing the form validations, zero form validations. What it's not working. And use the store slide. This outline of full image, make image first. Disable image by refreshing. You can check image is disabled, and by clicking this, refreshing this like this. You can click over here and refresh again. This is working fine. You can check all the things over here. So this one is classic for web developers extensions. I call it Swiss Army knife for front end days. And you can disable CSS text, case alert text, view form details, and debug layout issues all from one place, bold but gold, and another extension for daily dev. So if you want to grow as a developer, this is your daily dose of learning. The extension name is daily.dev. Turn your new tab into a personalized tech feed. Every time I open a Chrome, I see a new article, updates, and trends from the dev world. It's literally my morning newspapers before I open my laptop and before I start my work actually. And one of my favorite extension nowadays, like daily dev. So here is the extension. I use it for up to date the tech info and many more things by connecting the peoples, following like-minded peoples, and many more. So this is the extension I use like by mm, actually this is the things I just disable this extension so it's not showing, but yeah, I just enable it and I will check. Here I can check my this like this. Here you can check all the infos like this. Like here's another class like Laravel devs, PHP devs, and you can create your new squads from here, and you can find another squads from here like this. You can check all the things like I'm from the PHP squads, and here is all the info about it. And yeah, this is very useful. I found this very useful. And another is exe tools. By watching this, you can check all the review about it. What it does, it's basically accessibility is something lot of they overlook, but clients really appreciate it when you care. AXA tools help you test your site's accessibilities and tell you what to fix. It's small efforts, big impact, and it set your work apart. So by using this, what you can check, let's check this. So they will start connecting. Or what you have to do is like full page scanning. This about us the full page we have to scan. So that's scanning and total issues it's found is 7. And for home, this is for my checking the home page. And for the services, I found this like two. This is the AXC tool does. It's guide the taste and see view this last I checked this site. So yeah, yep, you can use this like inspect AXC tools and full page scan. Zero issues found. In home page can manage and from the issues. Zero issues found. This is the things you can check and use this. And another extension is Visbug extension. Save the coolest one for last Visbug. This feels like magic. You can visually edit any live websites, move elements, adjust spacing, tweak colors right there in your browsers. It's like Figma, but for real websites. We use it all the time to paste quick UI changes before we finalize a design. So yeah, these are my go-to Chrome extensions that make my life as a developer and founder so much easier. They save time, reduce stress, and honestly make work fun again. Let's see this. Like for this, we can yeah for this and use these extensions like this book extensions. Okay, here it is. Like let's use this color, right? And I want to change the color like this. So what does they change actual colors? This is adding the color red like this. You can change many more other things like this. Like I want to change the this colors to just blue, and it does. Which one is better? You can check this by asking the clients and all. This is the things you can check. It's very useful for the development and it's save a lot of time. Finally, if you are a developer or a founder like me, don't underestimate the small tools. They save time, reduce stress, and make your workflow feel effortless. So yeah, this is if you are a developer or a founder like me, don't underestimate the small tools. They save time, reduce stress, and make your workflow feel effortlessly. So, which one are you already using, or which one blew your mind? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more dev growth tips, and follow Webcrux technology if you are serious about building smarter in 2025. So work smart, build fast. I'm Jinder Soni, founder of Webcrux Technology. Catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, stay connected.